Welcome back everyone. Now in as we see in previous video how we can create our email ID, correct? Now in this video we are going to see how we can use that email ID, what are the different components of a email account. Okay, here you can see we are using a Gmail, correct? So this will be the interface of our Gmail account. Now here the first thing you can see is the first name and symbol of the application. Okay, in every application the name and the symbol will appear on the top. This is the symbol and this is the name of that particular app. First thing here you can see is compose button, correct? It is used to write a new mail. Means compose means to create or to write. Whenever I need to write a new mail or send a mail, first I will click on this compose button. Okay, then second thing is inbox. Inbox means, for example, inbox is a file where you will see all your received mail. Means whichever mail any another person has sent you, that received mail will be visible in inbox. And here you can see the count. If there is one message, then it will show one. If there are two messages, it will show you two. Okay, you can read and unread the messages also, that I will show in next video. Then send. Send means whichever messages you had sent to another person. Okay, in inbox we received message, and in send whichever messages you had sent. Okay, draft. Draft means the mails which are written but not yet sent, means which are in process or which are just written but not yet sent, like that means draft. Means for example, if I am creating a mail but in which I want to include that, for this reason I am going to, for example, I am sharing a message to my friend that we are planning to go to Shimla for a weekend. Okay, but now it is not yet confirmed that on which date to which date we are going. So I want to hold that message. I don't need to send that message. So that messages which we are written but not in share, that will be appear in draft. Okay, spam means unwanted message. For example, when if you had a Snapchat or Facebook, any account, okay, so that are continuously sending you mails. For example, today your friend had posted a story, or he or she has posted a story, a reel, anything like that, notification related messages, but you are that are annoying. Then if you add or spam as, if you click on them as spam, then that particular messages will store in junk message. Spam means unwanted. For example, in WhatsApp also, as you can see, many companies, for example credit card, they used to give us call, ma'am, sir, do you want credit card, we will give you loan. These are annoying calls. So that type of messages, when you click as spam, it will go in spam. Okay, and delete trash means the deleted messages. In, for example, in PC or laptop we are having recycle bin, same like that on Gmail, if you delete any particular mail, that will get stored into trash. But now here is a twist. For how many days it will store in trash? It will store in trash for 30 days. Okay, within 30 days you can restore it, as we do restore via recycle bin in PC, same like that we can restore also. But before 30 days, if you don't do anything to that message will get automatically deleted. Then after 30 days you cannot bring back that message, it will get permanently deleted from your account. Understood? So if I deleted any message, after 10 days I recycle that message. Okay, and again then I deleted that message, then again it will start from counting from 30 days. Next day it will count will be 29 days, 28 days. When the count will be 0, then and then only that message will get permanently deleted. Is there anything I can delete it previously? Yes, if there is a sensitive data which I don't want to store in recycle bin also, I want to immediately delete that message, then I will simply click on that message and delete forever. Okay, if I click on delete forever, it will get immediately deleted for forever. Then composing. See, when we click on the compose, okay, when we click on this compose button, like this interface will appear. Okay, this can minimize full screen, and everyone know this close or cancel button. Okay, now first is this area is called as mail recipient, means to whom you want to share the message. You need to write their name. To whom, write their name means write their username, email id. Okay, in short, use email id. You need to write the email id and select on the person to whom you want to share the message. So two. Then there are two more things, CC and BCC. We will come on them in a short. Now next, subject of the mail. This line is used for subject of the mail. What is meant by subject of the mail? Means if I want to, as I told you, I want to share the mail to my friend that we are planning the trip for Shimla. So in simple word, what is the subject? Plan for Shimla, correct? So what will be the subject? Plan for Shimla. Same you can see here. Okay, whatever subject you will write here, it will be displayed here. Okay, this is called subject. Subject should be always in small, short, maximum one line. Okay, in short. Then message text means here you will write all the messages what you want to write that. For example, we are planning this summer, we are going to Shimla via train, bus, how many days, how many friends are coming, all the related information will be here. Okay, now send button. This is send button. If you want, if I had done of writing the mail, now I want to share the mail, okay, or send the mail, then I will click on send button. The mail will be sent. Here you can see a is used to text formatting, means for example, if I written, if I want to do this hi Arnav in bold, italic, underline, I want to change the color, I want to increase the line alignment, justify anything, whatever align formatting, as we had learned in previous year also, correct? Formatting text, same like that. If I want to do bold, italic, underline, change color of the text, change alignment of the text, blah blah blah, multiple things, text related formatting you can do with the help of a. This pin like symbol you can see, this is used to attach the attachment. As we have seen in the first video, what I said, we can share audio, images, video, text and file also, correct? Now text I can write here, correct? But if I want to upload a photo, video or audio with this mail, how can I? With the help of this attach button. When I will click on attach button, I will show you that we can attach multiple files. This is link, this is emoji, this is Google Drive. If you want to upload any image, this is protector, means if you want to protect this mail, I will tell you later on. This is highlighter, calendar, and this is delete button. For example, if I am creating that same mail, okay, of sharing to the friend, but now our plan got cancelled, I don't want to share that mail to the friend. If I am not sharing that, it will store where? In draft, correct? It will store in draft. But if I want to delete from the draft also, then I will click on this delete icon, then it will be get created from draft 2. Now 2 means to whom you want to share the mail, correct? 2 means to whom you want to share the mail. Now what is CC and BCC? CC means carbon copy. What is the full form of CC? Carbon copy. And what is the full form of BCC? Blind carbon copy. Okay. 2 means to the person whom you want to share the message. And who is now CC? CC का full form क्या है? CC full form is carbon copy. Correct? Means for example, if I am sharing a mail to, here example Arnav, but that same mail Xerox I want to share to another person, so I will add that person name in CC. CC will get the xerox of this mail. Okay, CC can reply on this mail, CC can reply on this mail, and 2 can see to whom I have put in CC, and CC also can see to whom I am sharing the message. Okay, means they both can see each other. But this is not with the BCC. BCC full form is blind carbon copy. If I add someone in BCC, that person can see who is in CC, that person can see who is in 2 also, but this 2 and CC cannot see who is in CC. Okay, I will repeat. I know it is somewhat complicated. See, best example, you want to go to trip. Okay, so for that you are sending a mail to your class teacher. Okay, you are sending a mail to your class teacher about I want to go to the trip. So class teacher is who? Class teacher is 2. Okay, means to whom you are sending the message. Now that same message xerox you need to share to your parents. Okay, parents as well as school principal. Okay, so these 2 people need xerox copy of that mail. So this we can see in CC. Correct? But now you want to share that same mail to your friend as a proof. Okay, but then you will add your friend to BCC, your friend. Now the class teacher as well as your parents as well as principal is not able to see your friend. Why? Because he is in BCC. But your friend can see your parents, principal and class teacher. Understood? It is layer by layer. So BCC can see who is in C as well as who is in 2 also, but CC cannot see who is in BCC as well as 2 also cannot see who is in BCC. Understood? Now one more thing, it is not like that you can have only one people in 2 CC or BCC. You can add multiple peoples. Okay, you can add class teacher multiple, for example English teacher, science teacher, math teacher, computer teacher, multiple teacher into. In parents not, so you can add separately your mother, then your father, principal, otherwise you can add VP also in that. Okay, so like that you can add multiple people. It is not at a time you can send a mail to one person, you can share it to multiple person. Okay, clear about 2 CC and BCC. Subject also, what is subject? Subject is a short structure of the whole mail in means one line. Mail body, send button, attachment, everything we saw. This is compose. When you click on compose, like this interface will appear. Here you can see new message. Here subject will appear. Whatever thing you will write in subject, it will get reflected here. Correct? Recipients in which we will add to CC and BCC. CC full form carbon copy, BCC full form black carbon copy. BCC can see 2 as well as CC, but these both cannot see who is in BCC. Clear? Here is area, this is send button, link button, attachment. Now main thing, reply, forward and delete. What is mean by reply? For example, here you can see this message has been sent, correct, to me, correct, by this company, correct. So if I want to reply, means if anyone asks you, hi, how are you, then I will reply to him, I am good, I am fine, correct. So that type of reply means replying to the particular question or to the mail, it's called reply. What is mean by forward? Forward means sharing that same message as it is to another person, correct. As in WhatsApp you say there are multiple messages, share this message to 5 people, you will get a good news or like this stuff, correct. Otherwise best example, for example sir had given you a homework, okay, and your friend was absent. So now sir has shared you the message, so what your friend will say, please forward that message to me also. Means forwarding means picking as it is that whole message and sharing to another person is called as forward. So clear about reply and forward. Reply means replying to the thing, forward means sharing that particular thing with another person, and delete, everyone know delete means deleting the message. Now attachment, here you can see, but by mistake it is showing this arrow, but originally this is the symbol. Okay, this pin is the symbol, don't get confused here. The symbol is of pin. Okay, this is attached file. When you click on that attached file, like this interface will appear, from where if you want whatever file you can select the file. Okay, there is one more thing, drag and drop. As everyone see, simply pick up the file from where you want to paste, drag, hold on that button, drag that file and paste on this particular area, then it will get attached. Here you can see this file they had attached, correct. Here is a cross. If by mistake any another file has been selected, now I want to delete that file, so simply you click on this cross button, then it will delete. Now main thing, sign out. Whenever you log in to any particular account, okay, if there is another page or random page, in emergency you log in with your friend's phone or laptop, then you must be sign out. Okay, how you will sign out? At the corner, for example, here you can see, correct. One sec. This is our main profile. Here you can see this is our profile picture. Okay, why it is showing P? Because the person name must be starting with P. For example, my name Rohit, so what will be the my first initial, which is R, so it will show R there. Okay, color may be random, it is not like that for R there is specific color may vary. Okay, but what will be the profile? First initial letter of your name, simply click on there. Okay, after clicking there, like this box will appear, and here you will see the option sign out. Sign out means signing out. It is must, it is mandatory. Okay, if you don't sign out, what will happen? For example, if I sign in on my friend's laptop and he went away, then he can misuse my account, correct. One thing, it is not like that every friend is like that, misusing is another part, but there are some sensitive or important mails which I had shared to someone, that mails he may read, correct, reading, chatting, for example, like that. So it is not a good thing. So that's why always try to sign out your account whenever you log into someone else phone, mobile, laptop, iPad, anywhere. So clear till now? So what we learn in this video? In this video we see multiple things. Inbox is a box where we can see all our received messages, and where we will see our send messages in send button, correct. Spam means if anyone is randomly giving me messages which are unwanted, so I will click as spam message, it will get redirect to the spam inbox, correct. Trash means it is a file where all our deleted mails are located, correct. For how many days it is located? For 30 days. Within 30 days we can permanently delete as well as recycle that mail also, correct. Then draft means incomplete mails, correct, or on the mails which we are working still now, not completed yet, that are draft messages. Okay, then we saw about subject. To means to whom we are sending the mail. Then comes CC, full form of CC, carbon copy. Full form of BCC, black carbon copy. Now that complicated part, to can see CC also can see to, but these both cannot see BCC, but BCC can see both. Clear? Then subject means a short one line sentence it will show, means about what topic that whole mail is. Okay, and then message area, in which you will describe all the message in details. Then comes the A letter. A means text formatting. Second letter is pin, which is attach. We can attach different types of file. For your general knowledge, we can attach up to size of 25 MB. Okay, 25 MB of file, photo, video, anything. Above that we cannot share. Okay, so what is the limit of sharing any data from this? 25 MB. If you want to share more than 25 MB, then we will use Google Drive option. Here you can see Google Drive, which we will learn in 7th standard. Okay, but in short, for today I will tell you Google Drive is a location where you can store all your data. Okay, so there is not limit any that we can share up to particular, but there is a size limit. There is also size limit, depending on which maximum it is 15 GB. Okay, 15 GB of online storage. Google Drive means a storage where you can store your data online up to 15 GB. So there is, for example, there is a movie. For example, we will take the latest example, Dhurandhar movie. I want to share that movie to someone else. So can I share with the mail? No. So I will share with the help of Google Drive. Okay, this also done attachment. Then mostly we cover everything, and last point is that when you click on send button, message will be sent. Reply and forward. Reply means replying to a particular thing, and forwarding means sharing that particular mail with someone else. Correct? Reply. And last but not the least, sign out. You should always sign out. How to? Click on the profile icon, then like this box will appear, click on the sign out button, then your account will be sign out. Okay, if anyone is having any issue related to any topic, you can pin down in comments. Okay, thank you so much class. Have a wonderful day ahead.